Hello, in this video we are going to answer this problem. So point 912 is on the terminal arm of an angle in standard position, and the first thing we want to do is A, sketch the principal angle theta, B, what is the measure of the reference angle, sometimes we call this the related acute angle, and finally C, what is the measurement of theta. So to do this, I'm going to start off by drawing a plane, and I'm going to ask myself, where's the point 912 in the Cartesian plane? So the point 912 is going to be in the first quadrant, which is right here. And in order to kind of visualize the principal angle, I'm just going to draw that on there. And here's my principal angle here, and that is theta. So this is the point 912. So if I now take this and I use this to imagine my right angle triangle, I again drop my perpendicular to the horizontal, and we know that the height here is going to be 12 and the length here is going to be 9. So the first thing I have to do is I have to find this r. So r squared, because this is a right angle triangle, is equal to 12 squared plus 9 squared, which is going to be 144. Plus 81, which is going to be the square root of 225. Sorry, it's just going to be r squared is 225. So r is equal to the square root of 225, which is 15. Now we don't really need this in this situation, but nonetheless we can calculate it. So if we want to find the measure of the reference angle, or the related acute angle, we're going to just use our primary trig ratios. So I could do tan, because it gave me 12 and 9, so I can say, well, tan of theta is equal to opposite, which is 12 over 9, opposite over adjacent. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 12 over 9. And if I get my calculator out, I can work this out, which theta then works out to approximately 53 degrees. And I actually feel pretty good about this because it should be a little bigger than 45 because 12 is larger than 9 and they're relatively close. Now the last part is, what is the measurement of theta? Well, the measurement of theta here is going to be the same thing, 53 degrees, because the related acute angle, or the reference angle, is the acute angle made with the horizontal axes, whereas the measurement theta is the distance from the initial arm to the terminal arm. So since it's this example we have 912, they're going to be the same. In our next example, we're going to look at a situation where the point is not in the first quadrant. I hope that helped. Have a good day.